Hello everyone. Greetings of the day. My name is Nandini Ramkelkar. I am a student of the Tamegi Institute of Management Studies, Nagpur. Today I am going to give you a brief about the education system in India. Education and training industry. Education means learning theory and training gives you skills to do something. As we all know, India holds important place in global education industry and which is increasing day by day. The aim of government to raise its current gross enrollment ratio to 30% by 2020. Globally, the Indian education sector is amongst the largest with an extensive network of more than 1.4 million schools with over 200 million students enrolled and more than 850 universities and 40,000 higher education institutes. The school system in India has 4 levels: lower primary age 6 to 10, upper primary 11 and 12, high 13 to 15 and higher secondary 17 and 18. But now the Indian government had made some changes in education system. The curricular and pedagogical structure and the curricular framework for school education will therefore be guided by a 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 design consisting of a foundational stage in 2 parts, that is 3 years of Anganwadi or preschool plus 2 years in primary school in grades 1 to 2, both together covering age 3 to 8 preparatory. Vedantu. Vedantu is an Indian interactive online tutoring platform where teachers provide tuition to students over the internet using a real-time virtual learning environment named WAVE, whiteboard audio-video environment, a technology built in-house. It is set to operate on a marketplace model for teachers, where students can browse, discover and choose to learn from an online tutor. Incorporated in 2011, Bangalore-based Vedantu Innovation Private Limited is an online tutoring platform launched in October 2014 for public. The organization is run by 4 friends from Indian Institutes of Technology (IITs). Vamsi Krishna, co-founder CEO, Pulkit Jain, co-founder Head Product, Saurabh Saxena, co-founder Head Economics, and Anand Prakash, co-founder. The name Vedantu endorses the startup with its meaning. Veda means knowledge and Tantu means network. Thus, acting as a network of wisdom, live online tutoring is the tagline of the company. The mission of Vedantu is to provide quality education for comprehensive analysis of students' interaction and engagement in class through online assessment. And the vision of Vedantu is transforming the teaching and learning experience by engaging superior technology with worthy content and proficient teaching. Now, the strengths of Vedantu. Offers a good package for its tutors and on time. Better than recorded lectures. Provide room for growth for learners. Avails an energetic workplace that does not encourage non-performance. Friendly work culture, independent decision making, personalized education live from the comfort of your home, time and energy saving, secured solution. Anywhere, anytime learning. Placed among the top online tutoring services. Weakness of Vedantu. There is no flexibility and there is limited work-life balance. Customer service needs improvement, no provision of service in remote areas. Marketing is less as compared to competitors, not in technical education, single source revenue model. Classes less than 6 standard and beyond 12 standard are not available on Vedantu. No clear objectives followed in addressing issues, short of days for tutors, a lot of working hours, unprofessionalism by some members of management. Now, opportunities of Vedantu. Adaptive teaching, delivering customized learning based on the student's learning pace. Best teachers from IITs and top tier college with 10 plus years of experience. Convenient and safe. No need to travel, learn at the comfort and safety of your home. Live and interactive, two-way interaction between students and teacher better than recorded videos. Company's contribution to education sector. Now, the education sector in India is no longer bound to just classroom. Thanks to new startups and higher internet and smartphone penetration, the online learning space in India is growing manifold. The e-learning market in India is estimated to be around $3 billion. The central government take efforts to make digital learning available to students in every corner of the country is also aiding the sector. Currently, Online training in India focuses equally on both school and college-based courses as well as mid-level professional courses. Contribution of Vedantu in the Indian education industry is through various ways for that they had achieved various awards for their contribution in this industry. Online learning adoption in India is at an all-time high, setting a new benchmark for the rest of the world. As we continue to focus on driving high growth ventures, our investment in Vedantu marks our entry into the Indian edtech market. The move underlines This move underlines our strategy to partner with companies that are strategically positioned for high growth and scale. We are excited to partner Vedantu in their next stage of growth. Thank you.